Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. It's Chris McCoy 757 and these are a set of my gold Daytons. Now as you can see, block some of that heat off over there. There's a lot of dirt and grime in between these wheels right here. So I figured this right here is a product called Them Thangz by Street Juice. Now I've used Them Thangz before on chrome wheels and they've done wonders, but I haven't seen them, well, in person anyway, I have not seen them clean gold wheels. I'm going to start by wetting these up a little bit. Grab this bottle, give it a little shake. Got a deck brush also. I have a smaller brush that I'm going to go ahead and use and try to get in between these little hard to reach spots here. Turn them off a little bit there. I can already tell the difference. Not gonna lie, Street Juice works again. Woo! Sorry for the wind noise, guys. Jeez. Street Juice. Them Thangz. Street tested. Lab approved. Works hard, smells better. Chrome and wire wheel cleaner. Great, man. Love it. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. A lot of more content to come. Holler at you later.